In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 300 DPI images using Canva. If you're preparing graphics for print, 300 DPI is the standard most printers expect for crisp, professional results. DPI, or dots per inch, tells a printer how many pixels to place into every inch of paper. The key to getting a true 300 DPI file is to design at the exact physical size you want to print, and then export it at the highest quality setting. Start by creating your design in Canva at the exact physical size you need. Working at the right size from the start, make sure your elements, text, and images are all scaled correctly and will look sharp when printed. If you change the size after designing, quality can suffer, so it's best to lock in the dimensions first and then build your layout. Once your design is ready, go to the top right and select Share, then choose Download. This is where you'll control the file format and quality. Under File Type, choose PNG. PNG is a great choice for maintaining clean edges and preserving detail in graphics and text. You'll see a size slider, drag that all the way to the maximum. That increases the pixel dimensions of the export, which is what allows your design to translate to 300 DPI at the physical size you set earlier. In other words, maximizing the size here helps pack enough pixels into each inch when the file is printed at your chosen dimensions. After you've set the file type to PNG and push the size slider to the maximum, click Download and let Canva process the file. Depending on your design's complexity, this may take a moment. When the file is finished downloading, open it on your computer. Then click the Information button, often shown as a small I, to bring up the file details. In that information panel, look for resolution details. You should see it listed as 300 DPI, or sometimes as 300 pixels per inch, confirming that the file is set up for high-quality printing at the size you chose. If the resolution shown isn't what you expect, double-check that your design's physical dimensions in Canva match your intended print size and that you exported as a PNG with the size slider at its maximum, then download again. Following these steps consistently will give you clean, print-ready images. Thanks for watching.